Hey guys, welcome back again. Here we are again. Okay, so we're at Home Depot. I just wanted to do a quick video for you guys and kind of explain the difference between the different types of corner beads so you know what you're getting, okay? Let's take a look. Also, before I forget, don't forget to subscribe and like and turn on the bell. I haven't been doing a very good job of reminding people to subscribe, and I've been getting a lot of views, but not quite a lot of subscribers because I need to do a better job of reminding people. Anyway, let's get to it. Okay, when you come to Home Depot and you need to get some corner bead, basically there's two corner beads. We're looking at it. The jumbo size and then skinny size. Okay, so these thin, skinnier sticks of corner bead, if you look at the inside, let's step away for a minute, try to get a better look here. Okay, the metal strip on the inside of the corner bead, sorry. Okay, these skinny ones, that metal strip on the, it's barely ½ inch. I mean, it's about 3/8 of an inch. That metal strip on the inside, that's not good. Okay, these are really cheap, really flimsy. These are basically garbage. I hate these skinny corner beads. Okay, that metal piece, when you put these on your corner, that metal strip on the inside, that needs to cover that entire corner of your sheetrock. And it's not enough. It's just not. Because when your sheetrockers hang the sheetrock, even if they're hanging ½ inch and they do a perfect job and give you a perfect corner, it's still not really enough. I mean, that metal strip is not enough to cover that ½ inch corner of that sheetrock. And it needs to be. It needs to cover that whole thing and even go a little bit beyond. And then your corner will go on perfect. It will be straight. It won't be like cockeyed. And sometimes the corner even kind of sinks into the corner because it falls into that gap because that metal piece is not wide enough. You need to get the bigger one. Okay, now look at this one. Look at how much wider the metal strip is on the inside. I mean, that's wide. That's about 1 1/4 inch or maybe 1 1/8 inch. Nice and wide. On both sides, it's the same. This is way better. Way better. This is what you want to get. Don't get these skinny little cheap corner beads. These are garbage, okay? Get these bigger jumbo ones. These will cover the entire corner. Even if your sheetrockers did a lousy job and you have like an 1/8 inch or 1/4 inch gap there on your outside corner, you know, these will still cover that and your corner will come out perfect. So these jumbo ones, these extra wide ones with the wide metal strip on the inside, that's what you want. Totally, okay? Make your life easier. They go on faster, they go on perfect every time. That's what you want. Whatever the hell these are, I have never used these. Those are stupid. Don't get those. Then you got these other kinds here that don't even have paper on the outside. It's just a plastic strip. It's just the whole entire thing is just one plastic strip of corner bead. You totally don't need those. We already got these. That's what you need. Okay. Moving on real quick. Don't worry about these. These are for outside off angles. Okay, don't need to worry about those. And your inside angles, don't have to buy these extra, whatever corner bead you think you need to get. You don't need to put corner bead on inside angles. You tape those. Okay, so that's basically it. That's all you need to know. Okay, so there you go. That's basically the point of the video today. Is you're going to see, for outside corner beads, you're going to see two. They carry two different corner beads here. Okay, the skinny ones and then the ones that are, extra wide with that wide metal strip on the inside. You want to get the wide ones always, okay? They're great. They're really good. They finally, over the last few years, started to carry those. They used to not have them at all. I'm glad that they finally have them. So there you go. Pretty soon I'm going to do a video on my job where I'm going to show you like how to properly put the corner bead on. Okay, so, and all kinds of videos about drywall finishing, painting, all kinds of remodeling jobs. I'm a remodeler for 27 years. I started out as a journeyman drywall finisher, and then I moved into doing full remodels. So there you go. I hope the little corner bead video helps you. And don't forget to subscribe and like.